7 of the RSO tour. If you don't know by now, I'm the crash dummy who finds girls off the registered sex offenders list, and I link them, I do my thing, I put them on my 18 plus content if I can, but if not, I still drop a triple double. This time it was a little bit different.
Instead of, hold on, he was speaking some ism.
Offenders list, and I link them, I do my thing, I put them on my 18 plus content if I can, but if not, I still drop a triple double. This time it was.
He's saying, okay, so if he clap him. So I think this nigga got an OnlyFans too. That shit crazy. So not only do this nigga, he do this shit, he show you he do this shit. That shit be wild.
A little bit different. My fans took care of me right when I got to Vegas. He said, yo, you in Vegas, I got an RSO for you. He sent her profile. She's not registered, but she should be. She's known for getting guys way too lit and doing God knows what. Hit her up, say I sent you. This counts as a bucket. I don't care what Cardi B. Damn, 99.9% of all offenders are not registered. So I texted her. I said, hey, I got your ad from Taj. Okay, you come.
I got you from Taj. Okay, coming to the party tonight.
Went to the party tonight. I didn't even know there was.
Oh, buddy, she trying to get your ass.
Party at the UNLV. So she sent me the room number, and I said, okay, bet, I'll be there. So I pulled up. I had my glasses on. It was all right. It was just too packed and too crowded. I wasn't really feeling it. I actually left that party and snuck off into a different dorm room, and I caught myself in a 1v5 solo squad. It was a tough mission. The storm was coming, but we still won the game.
I was gonna say, she bad. They got that little orange shorty. Okay. I don't know where he at, but shorty, this area where you dubs. This is you dubs, shorty, for real. This how the hoes be.
Yeah.
Oh, I got that.
Oh, you do?
Hold on, you recorded in my house?
Yeah.
Turn that shit off.
It's public property. It's public property. You don't own it. You right.
Next time I texted her, I said I had fun. I was trying to gas up her party a little bit. She said, me too. I like your personality. I said, I like mine too.
That was her crib?
Laying down. What about you? Same. I was so tired today. I just crashed out, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Like,
do you want back shots? Yeah.
Hey, nigga, this is my video. Shut up. What you doing? Laying down. What about you saying? I mean, yeah, it's dry. It's dry right here. Damn, this nigga, he shot. That nigga faded away. That nigga is shot now. But she said yeah though. You know what? I might take a play out this book on this one. That's what we might take a play out of.
Yeah.
Good, cause he shot. I mean.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie. You can't hit these twin. Yo, it's that easy. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. Wrap up.
That nigga just had it. It's that easy, shorty. This baby going off that. I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you. You ain't gotta whine and dine no more. Literally, bro. I hit her up on that shit. Literally, he ain't even say too much, man.
Bro, wrap up.
I really don't have time to try to figure somebody out. But I said, do you want bike shots? Yeah. I said, why? Who doesn't want them? Like, what kind of question is that? I said, you don't even know what bike shots are. Okay, I don't understand your slang back shots. That's what I thought you meant, so my answer still stands. Bro. How bad do you want it 1 through 10? I was trying to get her to beg for it, but she wasn't going for it. She said 0. She said, stop trolling on my phone. I'm not. And I just said, I want, you feel me? She said, then go get some, you feel me? So I said, come get me then. And what do I get? I don't want, you feel me, before you answer that. What do you want? So you just want, you feel me, and that's it? And maybe give you some bike shots. Maybe we should hang out and see what the vibe is like, but if nothing happens, that's cool.
He had it, bro. He had it. I was like, you succeeded, my nigga, and then you just shot yourself in the motherfucking foot. Like, what the fuck did you do? Hey, y'all seen that one dude who was just, I'm a regular guy. Like, that's what I think about, bro. Anytime I think of some, like, corny ass shit, that's what I think about, bro. I think about that meme. I'm a regular guy.
Cool too, you feel me? That didn't seem like the vibe yesterday. Thought we were homies. See, that's the method. You guys always try to flirt and flirt. Flirting is patched. That method has been patched a long time ago.
That is real. I'm not finna lie.
Act like they're the homie and it'll come to you. So
I'm not gonna lie, yo. That is game. That is game. Stop praising these women. Keep it real. Keep it a buck. And if they not on the same timing, move on. If you actually like the girl, that's a different little story. But stop with all this flirting shit, man. Every single guy does it.
me, yeah, y'all ruined the fucking market, shorty. If you ain't really gonna bag the hoe, like, pass her along, man. Like, come on, man. Like, no, shorty, that's on locks. That's on locks. you know. I ain't gonna speak too much. I ain't gonna put my shit on blast, but you know, my own shit, that's on locks. She said, whatever you wanna come. If you wanna come get me, hey, man. Well, no, she went. You know, the easiest way to get head is not to ask for. On me though. Hey, but sometimes y'all bitches be tripping. I ain't gonna cut. I can't say too much, shorty. But hey, a nigga turning down some head is like a nigga turning down $1 million. Never see that shit happen ever in your goddamn life.
It's the same thing. You finna just get the same result as every single guy, bro.
Just hold her for a little bit longer. She said, whatever, do you want to come? I
She
said,
a
"If you
whore,
wanna
though.
come
She
get
a
me
whore."
And you want eggplants in your mouth. I'm sick, huh? She said, have a good night. So I liked the message. I thought she's being for real. Then she texted back, she said, LMA, I'm just playing. You know the easiest way to get, you feel me, is to not ask for it. That's a myth. I don't care what nobody says. If you never ask for it, it's not gonna come. I put the glasses on my friend because I wanted him to record a little bit of her picking me up and stuff, and I wanted him to get a little bit of an interaction. But she's just such an airhead that she thought we were setting her up.
Scam likely crazy.
Just keep driving straight towards the end.
He's not coming. I'm coming. Scam likely.
What the hell?
Come on, nigga.
I'm already drunk, bro. Like, just make sure
Game on an offender is crazy. When the
This nigga drunk.
the fact that she be getting niggas drunk and then fucking them is crazy. I'm not finna lie.
That sound like some Bill Cosby shit, shorty. And we do that shit. We a badass nigga. Hold on, let me fix my shit. Alright, y'all. There we go. What the hell?
Y'all think she fat or do y'all think she's skinny? Y'all think she actually fine?
What?
Cause I usually like.
This nigga dumb as hell. He just said, do you think she fat? Nigga, she was a
Bigger
toothpick.
girls would do that shit. I ain't gonna lie.
set me up.
Bike up.
This nigga crashing, bro. That's how Cardi B was doing it, but she was doing it for a purpose. She was setting niggas up and then robbing.
We're blower.
I'm setting her up. Where is that? To get it on you?
This nigga.
Are you turning in circles?
I'm gonna keep it real though. Like, I mean, shit.
You gonna skip over it.
Ain't no pause it, homie.
Scam would make amazing pedo catching content. Okay, if a girl told me to pull up on her and she was like in an area like this, I'm not sliding. I'm not gonna hold you, bro. You gotta feel me. I ain't gonna hold you.
Me. Hey, check it out, shorty. Check it out. I missed the whole play that way. I was mad as fuck. I was mad. So shorty I'm texting shorty, right? And I think she was just really trying to get back in the man's. I don't even know the whole situation, right? But I'm texting her, and then like out the blue, I don't even remember how I got this whole number, but I got this shit. And then she texting me and shit. She like, you gonna come over? I'm like, I ain't had no L's at the time, so like Madison was hotter. So I ain't trying to get pulled over for no pussy, shorty. Like, I was on my way to Florida at that time. I had the flight booked, everything, shorty. So I ain't going with you, shorty. Like, she sending nigga news, like everything. Like, nigga really wanted to go, and like, if I would have went, like, I would have hit. Because then, like, I tried to go, like, the next day, like, during the daytime, boy, she wasn't on that. Oh, they be picky, shorty. These hoes be picky.
That shit crazy.
She literally came and then left when she found out it was 2 people. I said, where you at? She said, you're setting me up. I said, no, I'm not.
See, this is
my
why
homie
you
was just
can't have
making
your
sure I'm
niggas
safe.
with you, bro.
LOL.
Y'all niggas gonna fuck up the whole mission, bruh. You had you a baddie. She was bad. She was bad. And I mean, like, there's another one that come along, but like,
Come bike.
nigga failed
I
you
said,
on
what
that
would I
mission.
say you up for? You're depreciated.
Damn.
She didn't even know what that means. It's 2 of y'all and 1 of me. I'm good. So I got her to come back. I said, come bike to the same spot. It's gonna be just.
I was just gonna go to your dorm though. He was just playing around. The blah blah blah. He got a whole girlfriend. He not. You gotta what? Where? You gotta
All right, no
come
bullshit.
here, where my place, come back to the same spot. It's just
All right,
it's gonna be
nigga.
just me. All right.
It was way too popping.
I know, it was too many people. I was kind of mad.
Whose fault was that? Like, what happened? I couldn't even get in the middle. I was trying to get in the middle. I couldn't hear the music.
I couldn't get anywhere. Like, it's my place. I couldn't even get to
Yeah.
my friends. And I have
She sound like a thought. I ain't gonna lie. She sound like a little boppity bop. I ain't gonna hold you.
And after that, I was like, okay, I'm done. It was too many.
What was the cops saying?
No, the cops never came.
They say did. I seen
Them
them.
Ray-Ban glasses kind of cold, bro. I might have to cop invest in some of those. All right, I ain't gonna lie. I might have to.
Yeah, it was too many people. And we weren't even having fun. That's what
Oh, so that's how this
So I could've
nigga
walked
record.
here.
He ain't recording off the glasses.
But I'm too good for that.
Take those off.
What you mean? Take what
you're
off?
recording glasses.
No, it's not. It's playing music.
Take them
It's
off.
Bluetooth. It don't even matter though. I still talk myself out of everything. Still got the job done.
I wonder if that nigga hit with the glass.
Nigga still cracked, bro.
I didn't even have to hit the registry. Y'all took care of me, and I love that. This is the type of kink treatment that I expect to get. My hands are dirty.
That nigga, he did just get an alley-oop, shorty. That nigga did just get an alley-oop. He didn't even have to look for that. But that nigga said, hey, I got one for you, bro. But that nigga, Kobe, that nigga dunked that shit. I ain't gonna count.
Dirty. My hands aren't clean. I already did all the hard work to get here. If you see I'm in your city and you have something that I need, let me get it. Don't be stingy. Don't forget my 18 plus content of me on the
Bro, you gotta make sure you wrap up though. I ain't gonna lie. It was very obvious that was like a level 5 bop. I ain't gonna lie. All you said was like, bro, I want back shots. And she was like, bet. I ain't ever seen some shit like that. I ain't gonna lie. That's different. I know she was white though. Bro, white girls in college are the easiest women I've ever seen. Like, I've ever met, period. It's
Man, hey, if y'all want to see the other video I reacted to, it'll probably be a little creepy, but that nigga here can go to the college party, he can go get some pussy. It was an old nigga. He was like, I don't even know how old the nigga was, but like, he's short, he ain't get no bitches. My nigga, all you had to do was go to college, my nigga. Plenty of hoes.
insane. It should be illegal how easy they are, bro. How to last longer?
2 minutes. Come on, bro. You gonna sit here and act like there's a way you can last longer? It's impossible to last longer. I'm telling you, I tried every method. I tried the talking. I tried to sit in there. I tried to sit in the pocket for a little bit. I mean, I switched positions. That helps. But
Hey, go get that shit in that pocket, shorty. That shit don't work, boy. That shit don't work. That's just like cooking it up in the oven, shorty. I ain't go, oh, you see that? That's what happened with my last one, shorty. I'm like, hey, hold on, shorty. Let's take a break. Watch this. Hey, okay. We done, gang. We done. Oh, nigga, what?
if it feels good, bro, ain't nothing wrong with like finishing fast. Humans are supposed to finish fast. Y'all seen my post-game interview from Japan. I don't know why y'all thought I was playing. Yeah, so I was about to hop in my bag, but I came hella fast. Man. How do you feel about
I remember seeing this shit.
about me not being able to keep up? Answer to the people.
To the people?
Yeah.
He said it to the people. This nigga wild.
A little disappointed.
A little disappointed.
Little.
I'm not gonna lie, chat. Like, I want to say I can relate, but I really
Hey, you win
can't.
some,
I
you lose some,
genuinely
but he
just
still
last a
hit,
long time,
though.
bro.
He
I've
still
always
hit.
have, bro. It's either you last a long time or you don't. Why is this nigga calling me, bro? What, bro?
Hold up, bro. Hold up. For the love of the game, before I go to sleep, I'm gonna put the younglings onto some game, bro. If you think you're gonna finish fast, what you gotta do, you gotta go, right? Do it. Go until you're about to finish, and then when you're about to finish, pull out. Allow yourself to finish, right? Don't touch it. Do not let her touch it. You're gonna stay hard. You'll be able to go. That's it.
I ain't gonna bullshit you. He just put y'all on game. He just put y'all on game, buddy. He just put y'all on game. That nigga, hey. You can't be giving out all the secrets like that, nigga. Can't be giving out all the sauce. That's my sauce, nigga. That's my sauce. Oh, shorty, that's my sauce.
That's it. No cap. That was, hey, bro, have a good stream. You know what I'm saying? I just had to, like, share that information because, like, you know, niggas might be like, you know what I mean?
Chat.
Gonna put him on blast like that. But let's just say this dude, his game is crazy. I don't know what the fuck happened to him, but his brain is wired different. One day he got me buns 2 nights in a row. Even he knows it's impossible to last longer. Bro, if something tastes good in my mouth, I'm gonna swallow it because I want more. I'm not gonna keep chewing it forever.
Okay, so what if Diddy or Meek Mill just put like sugar and like strawberry juice all over their dick and they just thrust it into your mouth? Would you keep on sucking and swallowing just because it tastes good? That mentality.
Gay, check out his post-game interview. He even finishes fast. Alright, so post-game interview. How was the performance?
You ain't do shit.
How many rounds you win, champ?
2.
2 rounds? Ooh.
Found the one spot and she kept spamming it.
Oh yeah, she can't do that. That's cheating. That's pure cheating.
Cheating.
That's
cheating.
Yeah, that's cheating.
Homie, that's cheating.
Yeah, she cheated, bro.
Homie, that's cheating.
Oh, me,
How
shorty.
long was the overall? How long was the whole game?
Ain't go cap, shorty. Ain't go cap. So, I was getting some head, right? And like, I thought the bitch was like, well, at first she doing some normal shit, you know? And then, bro, out of nowhere, bro, she just started doing some shit I ain't never had, bro. I ain't never had. I promise you, bro. I ain't never had no shit like that. I came so fast. I was like embarrassed because I'm shorty. I don't come like that, especially off a head. Like I don't do that. Like, bro, sometimes, okay. For y'all that don't know, let me. Like baseball, sometimes a pitcher do real good and sometimes a batter do real good. You know, same thing, same concept.
10 minutes. That's.
Oh, yo, did y'all really just not last long? No, oh, I did. Yo, no, there was one time I lasted like 7. Yo, I remember it was the first time I took a honey pack. I took like a third of the packet, right? But like after like I took the honey pack, I just went straight in. You're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to wait. So like you can actually get hard. If you don't, you'll bust quick because your dick it feels weak. Or at least for me, it just felt weird. I felt off. I was
not listening to hell no.
Back to the drawing board. Why do y'all think my exclusive in-game footage?
I'm gonna be real though. If you're lasting for like an hour, the pussy's not good. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, me,
with my
shorty.
first girlfriend, or my second one, her pussy wasn't that good.
You said it for me, shorty. One of mine. We ain't even gonna speak on that one. We ain't even gonna speak on that, shorty. We ain't even gonna speak on that one.
If you guys don't know who Evan is, he was the guy that I met in Japan that was surviving off of other women for 2 months. His life was just too crazy, so I forced him to become a content curator.
Chat,
Evan
listen
took
up.
The guy under his wing, and right when they got there, he called me. Here's him showing when he texted me. I was giving him pre-game prep talks because all he wanted to do was lose his V card. Evan just posted his video on this, so let's see what happened.
And I brought home like 5 bitches in front of you. My boy gotta get some too. Fucking off, no sleep. And you taking my room for like better be 30 fucking minutes at most. I literally
Let's keep it real. It's probably gonna be a cool little 3. Let's keep it real, man. I ain't gonna lie. I already see his player build, man. I can put up some pretty accurate predictions. I'm not gonna lie.
in the bathtub as my boy lost.
W. Evan though. W. Evan, yo, he's a real one.
Like, bro, y'all gotta get a boy. You lucky I'm leaving soon, or else I wouldn't have let you fuck in my bed. He be on the out.
W, homie.
On me, hey, to all the homies that let another homie fuck in their bed. That's a real nigga for that one. That's a real nigga. Homie.
Just came over, and he let me smash his bed. Y'all gotta like get a homie like this, bro. This is a real one.
He is a real one, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
My boy Evan did his thizzle out there. You see what the fuck going on? This is real life shit. This ain't no games, bro. His teammate grade went up, but my teammate grade.
Alright, but that's all I got for you on this one. I hope y'all have a good rest of the day. Thank y'all. Y'all like the video, drop a like, subscribe. Peace.